थोड़ा be always alert. Right note. No. Equation of simple harmonic progressive wave, comma y is a sine 2 pi p by t minus x upon lambda can be written as y is equals to a sine omega t 2 pi by capital T is omega t minus kx. So whenever equation of simple harmonic progressive wave given, I will always consider an MCQ in this form. Now, can I say coefficient of sine is maximum displacement, that is amplitude? A, not followed? And coefficient of t is always omega. Once I get omega, I will get time period, I will get frequency. Coefficient of x is always k. This note is very important for MCQ. Write down, coefficient of sine is maximum displacement, t is omega, x is always k. Then today we'll complete what is beat frequency, formula of beat frequency, uses of beat frequency. This much we'll try to complete today. Then in this chapter we have got Doppler effect, that will complete one more chapter in connection with waves and oscillation wala. Then left out will be stationary wave from superposition. If you are done, be quick, keep on telling.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second. What is formula for velocity of wave? Is it n lambda?
N lambda.
N lambda for any wave. And can you write omega upon 2 pi? Yes, can you write?
Yes, sir.
Since omega is 2 pi n, so n is omega upon 2 pi. So can I write omega upon 2 pi by lambda? No.
Yes.
And this k is 2 pi by lambda. So whenever they want equation, speed of the wave, from the equation t ka coefficient omega, x ka coefficient k, directly I will divide. K is 2 pi by lambda, is also called as propagation constant. Right, second point, speed of wave n lambda, which is same as omega upon k.
Done, sir.
Okay. Third one, ratio of maximum velocity of particle and wave velocity. What is velocity of particle?
Lambda.
No, that is wave beta. This is omega root of SHM. It is
Square minus
performing
x square.
a square minus x square, because it is along y-axis. We'll write a square minus y square. So what will be V maximum? Is it a omega? If you
A
recollect,
omega.
a omega. I want ratio of V maximum of particle to that of wave velocity. What we got? Wave velocity omega by k.
Yes.
So can I say ak?
AK.
Yes. Solve. All right. This is a note again. Third point.
That's
Okay. Explain formation of beats. Explain formation of beats. See, when we modulate the voice, then it is called beat. Suppose somebody gave me one letter, I was not knowing it is poetry. उसमें ऐसा लिखा था, मैं कहीं कवि न बन जाऊं, तेरे प्यार में हो कविता. तो सबने बोला ये कॉम्पोजिशन नहीं है, यू हैव टू सिंग विथ मेडुलस वॉइस, मेलोडियस वॉइस. देन आई स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग, मैं कहीं कवि. सबने बोला वंस मोर वंस मोर. देन आई रियलाइज दे आर सेइंग नो मोर नो मोर. सो इफ आई read in same frequency, then it is not melodious. I have to increase the pitch and decrease the pitch of my sound. That is called beat. Suppose we put on one speaker, आवाज ऐसा आ रहा है. Is it beat?
no.
No, एक तरीका आवाज ऐसा आवाज आया अभी. Like ambulance. So beat है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So when voice is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, then we can say it is beat formation. So for beat formation, what we require? We require two sound source. Because एक sound source है, तो एक तरीका आवाज देगा ना. एक sound चालू किया, आवाज ऐसा है. दूसरा चालू किया, आवाज है. दोनों को साथ में सुपर इम्पोज किया, आवाज ऐसा है. Then only I can say beat.
Yes.
So for beat, we require two sound wave. If there are two sound wave, either their amplitude will be same or it will be different. Now if one has amplitude, both are suppose either same or different. One is 20, other is 1. So result when add it becomes 21. When subtracts it will become 19. So intensity is square of amplitude. In first case it will become 441. In second case it will become 361. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
तो मतलब ये अकेला वाला साउंड जब भी मिला तो 21, when subtracted we got 19. So this was in phase and this was opposite phase. Now example let us see 20 का आवाज एकदम जोर का 1 का दोनों साथ में आया इतना क्लियर समझ नहीं रहा है ना मैक्सिमम मिनिमम. Hardly there is some reduction when it is subtracting. That means my ear chances are there they cannot identify maximum minimum clearly, but both are 20-20. Both are 20-20. When it adds it becomes 40, when it subtracts it becomes 0. Now 101% I can hear maximum minimum or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So now when maximum both were same earlier, साथ में आया तो maximum minimum clearly my ears can identify na.
Yes, sir.
So can I say amplitude of two sounds source must be same for best getting formation of beat? First part clear?
Yes.
Okay. अभी देखते हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होएगा. Suppose frequency is same, huh? These are two sound waves. How they are, in phase or opposite phase?
Same phase.
In phase. तो इसका सिंगल आवाज इसका भी आवाज मिलके when they add ऐसा ऐसा होएगा ना. मैक्सिमम
Yes,
खाली
sir.
आएगा. तो इसका आवाज कैसा है? सिंगल का ऐसा आवाज बोल रहा हूँ. सेकंड साथ में आता हूँ. इज इट बीट?
No.
अपोजिट फेज में आया ऐसा. तो इस सिंगल का आवाज दूसरे का साथ में मतलब खाली जस्ट ऐड होके कैंसल हो रहा है ना. हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So one way it is very much loud and here there is no sound at all throughout. So I don't want throughout maximum, throughout nothing. I want alternate maximum minimum. तो सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं चलेगा. अभी सेम नहीं चलेगा तो डिफरेंस चलना चाहिए. बहुत डिफरेंस है. These are suppose 30 wave and second in same time only one wave. Suppose I am single teacher, you are 30 student. सबने अपना पैर बाहर निकाल के रखा है. When I start running, कितना बार गिरने वाला हूं?
कितने लोगों ने पहले घुटने पर?
मतलब 30 times chances are there ना, because of your leg coming outside, I will get interference and I will fall.
Yes.
In that 30 times chances are there 15 times maximum, 15 times minimum होएगा sound का comparison में. 15 times maximum, that means in 1 second 1/15th time. Hello?
Yes, sir.
In time period t 15 time, so 1 second में 1/15 time.
Yes.
Our ear has one problem, persistence of sound का. After 1/10 second if sound comes, then only we can distinguish between original and new sound or not. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
ये तो उसका पहले ही आ गया ना 115. मतलब suppose you are standing below the lamp post during slight evening hours, थोड़ा सा अंधेरा हुआ है, बस स्टॉप है, खाली एक पोस्ट है, तो आजू बाजू में कीड़े ऐसा आवाज करते हैं. अभी समझ में नहीं आता है मैक्सिमम क्या मिनिमम. इरिटेशन लगता है ना बहुत. हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I don't want no sound also. I don't want sound getting occurring so fast that my ear cannot distinguish maximum minimum. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम नहीं चलेगा. फ्रीक्वेंसी डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं चलेगा, लेकिन 10 का डिफरेंस तो चलेगा ना. फ्रीक्वेंसी 10, तो टाइम पीरियड 110 चलेगा ना अपने को?
Yes, sir.
ओके, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
fine. So now I got idea. We require two sound source having same amplitude but slightly different frequency. Difference should not exceed 10 hertz. So if they ask explain formation of beat, so I'm writing the answer. When two sound source having same amplitude but same amplitudes but slightly different frequencies arrives at a point simultaneously, then resultant amplitude will be alternately maximum and minimum. Thus, intensity of sound will be alternately maximum and minimum. The maximum sound is called as waxings and minimum sound is called as vannings. Okay, just write down. The alternate formation of waxing vanning is called formation of beat. You write this much, then I'm completing further.
Done, sir.
Till that written, the maximum sound is called as waxing and minimum sound is called as vanning.
Yes.
Next paragraph means last. The alternate formation of waxings and vannings is called as formation of beats. Then write beat frequency. What is frequency of wave? Number of wave heard per second is called frequency.
Yes, sir.
And oscillation, number of oscillation per second. Same way, beat frequency, can I say number of beats heard per second is called as beat frequency, right? Number of beats heard per second is called as beat frequency. Yes, written full.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Time period, time interval between successive waxings or successive vannings is called as time period of beats, right? Time interval between successive waxings or successive vanning is called as time period of beats. Completed?
Done, sir.
Okay. Next topic, very important one. Mostly in long answer they can ask you, derive expression for beat frequency or show that beat frequency is difference of frequencies of two sound notes. Right heading? Very important for 4 to 5 marks in the exam. Written heading?
Yes, sir.
How many sound waves we require for beat?
2.
2. Same amplitude or different amplitude?
Same amplitude.
Same frequency or different frequency?
Different frequency, slightly different.
Slightly different, correct. And that difference should not exceed 10. So I'm writing like this. Consider two sound waves having same amplitude A, comma, slightly different frequencies N1, comma N2, such that N1 is greater than N2 to arrive at a point simultaneously. Then displacement produced by each waves is given by. See, what does it mean? Here there is a particle at rest. एक wave आया, इसको oscillate कराया. So what is formula for displacement when body starts from mean position? A sin omega t.
Yes.
So first
Yes, sir.
wave will displace by y1. A sin omega means 2 pi n1 t. Can I say this? Because particle will start performing SHM from mean
Yes,
position
sir.
to A sin omega t. I have written omega as 2 pi n1 due to first wave. Second वाला चुपचाप बैठेगा क्या? वो भी डिस्टर्ब करेगा ना? With A sin 2 pi n2 t and resultant displacement is vector sum. So copy this much, then we'll see vector sum.
Done, sir.
By principle of superposition, resultant displacement comma y is y1 plus y2. So y is a sine 2 pi n1t plus a sine 2 pi n2t. A common inside sine of 2 pi n1t sine of 2 pi n2t. Is it like sine c plus t?
Yes, sir.
What is formula of sine c plus t? 2 times.
2 sine c plus d
Sine c
upon 2.
plus d upon 2.
That means 2 pi n1t plus 2 pi n2t divide by 2 into cos of 2 pi n1t minus 2 pi n2t upon 2. Okay. So y will become 2a sine of 2 pi n1 plus n2 into t upon 2 cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2. Follow till this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just copy this much.
Done, sir.
Yes, everybody is done till this.
Yes, sir.
So we got 2a sine and cos. Therefore, y equals to 2a. Cos I am writing with 2a. 2 pi n1 plus n2, n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 sine of 2 pi n1 plus n2 into t upon 2. See, particles are vibrating along y-axis and propagation is along x-axis. So sine and cos, we all know it is having phase difference of 90. So this is position of cosine and this is position of sine. That means when sine is 0, cos is 90. Sine is 90, cos is 0. So we can take this as vibration along y and this is propagation as a two terms. So we'll write let r means vibration amplitude, which is 2a cos 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 equals to resultant amplitude. So when time is 0, resultant amplitude will be maximum. And n1 plus n2 upon 2 equals to n equals to average frequency. So our expression y will become r sine 2 pi nt. Is it formula for SHM? R
Yes,
sine
sir.
omega t SHM. What is meaning of
Yes.
SHM? Oscillatory or non-oscillatory? Is it oscillatory motion? Oscillatory. Oscillatory का मतलब ऐसा ना, मैक्सिमम थोड़ा कम, जीरो फिर ज्यादा ज्यादा फिर थोड़ा कम
Yes,
this
sir.
might oscillate at different time.
Yes.
Okay, just write this one, then conclusion will write. मतलब conclusion क्या है? This shows that resultant disturbance is oscillatory in nature with varying amplitude. So varying वाला amplitude will keep on oscillating. Maximum थोड़ा कम zero, फिर थोड़ा ज्यादा maximum, मतलब आवाज maximum minimum आने का chance है. Write this one, then conclusion वाला line will write.
Done, sir.
Okay. This shows that resultant displacement is oscillatory in nature with varying amplitude. Hence, beats can be formed. So we have explained, because amplitudes are varying in nature, beats can be formed. Now, at waxings, we are interested in beat frequency. So if I find time, suppose at time 0 second, 2 second, 4 second, we are getting maximum. So though waxing का बीच का difference is called time period, and reciprocal of time period will give me beat frequency. Waxing means what? Intensity is maximum or minimum?
Max.
If intensity is maximum, then amplitude is maximum or minimum?
Maximum.
Maximum means 2a or 0? Maximum means 2a, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Resultant amplitude can be plus or minus 2a at waxing. So R is 2a cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 is plus minus 2a. Both side 2a cancel. So cosine of 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 is plus or minus 1. Cos of which angle is 1?
0.
0. And which angle is minus 1?
Pi.
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 So that means our angle will keep on changing between 0,
0
1
and pi.
pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, and so on or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I can say 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2. This is angle associated with cos. Will be integral multiple of pi. Then only answer will come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. K is 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. Pi, pi cancel, 2, 2 cancel. So I get T as K upon N1 minus N2, where K equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. So when you put T K 0, you will get 0, 1 upon N1 minus N2, 2 upon N1 minus N2, dot, dot, dot. Please copy this much. Complete till this so that further we can write.
Done, sir.
So can you suggest me what is time interval gap between two waxing?
2 pi.
2 पाई किधर ना डिफरेंस है ना दोनों का 1 upon n1 minus n2 minus 0
हाँ.
और 2 upon n1 minus n2 minus 1 upon n1 minus n2.
Yes, 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 yes.
So
One-
can I say it will be 1 upon n1 minus n2?
Yes.
Okay. So I can say therefore time interval between successive waxings, that is time period t equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2. Therefore beat frequency equal to n1 minus n2. So with waxing we proved beat frequency will be n1 minus n2, that is difference in frequencies of two sound waves. Copy this much. I think this might have been completed by you all.
Yes, sir.
Now let us check for vanning what we are getting. Vannings. For vannings, R is 0. That means 2a cos 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 should be 0. So cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 is 0 upon 2a, which is 0. So angle associated with cos. Will it be odd multiple of pi by 2? Hello? 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. So odd multiple of pi by 2, where n can take value from 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. So both side this pi, you can cancel. Same side 2, you can cancel. So t is 2k minus 1 upon twice of n1 minus n2, where k equals to 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. Copy. Hello? Yeah. Pardon? I see. No, I'm not interested. Therefore, this will become, when I put 1 half of n1 minus, this will become 3 by 2 n1 minus n2 dot, dot, dot. Copy this much again.
Done, sir.
Okay. Again, can you see interval between two waxing is same? 3 minus 1, 2 upon 2 is n1 minus n2. Therefore, time interval between successive Vannings is same 1 upon n1 minus n2, that is time period equal to n1 minus n2. Therefore, beat 1 upon n1 minus n. Beat frequency equal to n1 minus n2. Copy. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
So we got beat frequency is nothing but n1 minus n2 if n1 is greater, or it can be n2 minus n1 if n2 is greater, because cos of minus theta and cos theta are same. See, cos of n1 minus n2 or n2 minus n1 same आएगा. Uses of beat frequency. First, it is used to find unknown frequency of a tuning fork. This one I'm explaining you in detail because they ask only one use in detail, rest all only headline or statement we should know. It is used to find unknown frequency of tuning fork. Please write the statement, then we'll see how it can be used to find unknown frequency of tuning fork.
That's it.
Okay. Now, how we can use to find frequency of tuning fork, unknown frequency of tuning fork. Let n1 comma n2 be known and unknown frequencies, known and unknown frequencies of two tuning forks producing x beats per second when sounded together. Therefore, either n2 will be larger by x or n2 will be smaller by x. This much followed? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, please copy this much.
Done.
Okay. So either it can be larger or smaller. So we have to identify when to use larger and when to use smaller. Have you ever painted your nail polish? Have you painted
Yes.
your nail? That is called nail polish. Anybody has tried nail polish?
Yes.
Suppose that color you don't like, then you have to wait for 2-3 days, or immediately with acetone we can remove.
Yes. We can remove.
That means you have loaded one color which you can remove it when you don't like. But suppose you are filing your nail and you are observing television, all of sudden one side the nail has reduced a bit, very larger. You cannot stick that nail, na? Then you have to wait till it grows and then give desired shape. So when you are putting the nail paint, I say you are loading your nail, and when you are giving the shape, you are filing it. That means you are reducing the nail. Not followed?
Followed.
So in this case, mass will increase, na?
Yes.
And in this case,
Yes.
mass will reduce, no?
Yes.
अगर बॉडी हल्का हो गया तो स्पीड में चलेगा क्या? नहीं.
Yes.
तो इधर फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा होता है और इधर फ्रीक्वेंसी कम होता है. सो व्हेनेवर यू लोड, मतलब मैंने अपना सर पे 200 किलो का वजन लिया, कैन आई मूव फास्टर? स्लो 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 आई विल मूव ना, so my frequency will reduce. But if I remove that luggage, I will move faster, frequency will increase. This much you followed?
Yes.
तो एक मेथड जहां पे वजन बढ़ाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं लोडिंग, जिधर वजन कम कर देते हैं उसको बोलते हैं फाइलिंग. क्लियर? Hello? Increasing the weight is called loading, decreasing the weight is called filing. Which would be better? Loading अच्छा है ना, वजन निकाल दिया, लेकिन एक बार वजन कम कर दिया तो वजन आने को बहुत टाइम लगता है. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो अभी स्टार्ट करता हूँ. Suppose this is known 100 and unknown बड़ा वाला 105 है. How many beats you will be able to hear? 5 na?
5.
But if known is larger, then this should be 95, still giving me 5 beats. Huh? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
So, so if I am loading the unknown, which was larger, then its frequency will decrease. Na? 104, 102. This way it will start decreasing. So beat frequency will also start decreasing or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means when unknown is larger, after loading, its frequency is decreasing. Simultaneously, beat frequency is also decreasing. But if unknown is smaller, Now if you load it, its frequency will decrease, like 94, 93, 92, 91, it will decrease. Hello? Madam, can I call within 5 minutes? Yeah, I will call you back. I will call. So beat frequency will become 6, 7, 8, 9. That means this is decreasing, but this is increasing, na?
Yes, sir.
Hello? That means whenever you do loading, frequency will always decrease. But if beat frequency is also decreasing, then unknown is larger. But if beat frequency is increasing, then unknown is smaller. That means both decrease, larger will be correct answer. One decreases, other increases, then smaller is correct answer. This is by loading. Now suppose you file. Filing means frequency will increase or decrease. Tell me.
Increase.
Increase. So if I file, then frequency obviously will increase. Whether it is larger or smaller, frequency will increase. So if I am filing, let us see what changes we see. Larger one is if correct. So 106, 107, 108, this will start increasing. So my beat frequency will also start increasing, isn't it? But if it is smaller, then this is 96 after filing, or 97 or 98, but beat frequency come ho raha hai na?
Yes, sir.
So what you observe again, both increasing, it was larger. One increasing, other decreasing, it was smaller. So from this, I have framed one conclusion in my mind. When the prongs of unknown tuning fork, when the prongs of unknown tuning fork are loaded, then frequency decreases. This is always true. But if beat frequency also decreases, then N2 will be N1 plus X, matlab larger, or else it will be smaller, means N1 minus X. Same way, when the prongs of unknown tuning fork are filed, then frequency increases. But if beat frequency also increases, then N2 is N1 plus X, means larger, or else N2 equal to N1 minus X. Please copy this much. So only one use I am explaining full. 3 more uses are there. Next lecture I will explain, but we'll write only headlines. Yes, completed. Yes, completed full.
Yes.
So, okay, just write down those uses so that our theory will get over, but I will explain this second, third, fourth in next lecture. It is used for tuning musical instruments. How I will explain in the next lecture. It is used for tuning musical instruments. It is used to detect presence of harmful gases in mines. It is used to detect presence of harmful gases in mines. It is used to produce sound of low frequencies in Western music. Please copy this 4 uses. I will explain in the next class regarding the concept of this. Today evening you are available? Hello? Yes, today evening are you available?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, 10, 15.
हाँ 10-15 yes. चलेगा क्या?
Yes.
Yes.
चलो मिलते हैं.
सर शाम को 6-7 बजे को नहीं होगा?
सबका लेक्चर रहता है ना. इवनिंग में क्या किसी को टेंशन नहीं है, डायरेक्टली खाना पीना खा के सत्संग में आएंगे ना डायरेक्ट. नहीं चलेगा? Can I clear this first?
Yes.
Yes, are you comfortable today evening?